Good morning. I am Dinakaraj from ECE A section. Hall ticket number 20951 A0442. Subject electric circuits. Topic Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. History of Faraday. Born to a poor family in Newington, England, diligent and intelligent, he became an errand boy for a bookbinding shop and he read every book that he found. Bound. He became interested in the concept of force or especially force because of his early reading and experiments with the idea of force he was able to make important discoveries in electricity later in life. Big change in Faraday's life. Wrote to Sir Humphrey Davy, chemist at the Royal Institute, begged for a job and sent along with a bound volume of notes, which he had taken at Davy's lectures. Impressed by the boy's zeal, Davy made Faraday his laboratory assistant in 1813. Big change. Since then, 21 years old, drag in knowledge from Davy, finished his second apprenticeship in 1820. Great accomplishment for a man who was almost completely self educated originally. Faraday's experiment. Almost 200 years ago, around 1831, Faraday looked for evidence that a magnetic field would induce an electric current with his apparatus. Faraday's law of induction. This is a diagram about Faraday's experiment. Faraday's experiment, he found no evidence which when the magnet was stationary, but did he see a deflection in the galvanometer when the magnet was moved away or towards the coil? Faraday's experiment, he then changed the number of turns of the coil, the relative speed of the magnet and coil, the direction of relative motion of the coil and magnet, and observed the change in the deflections shown by the galvanometer. Faraday's first law statement: when a conductor is placed in a magnetic field due to relative motion between the conductor and magnetic field, an EMF is induced. Conductor is moving, magnet is stationary. Magnet is moving, conductor is stationary. So this is the Faraday's first law. Faraday's second law statement: the magnitude of induced EMF is directly proportional to the rate of change of flux linkages. Dynamically induced EMF, statically induced EMF, self induced EMF, mutual induced EMF. This is the Faraday's second law. Important conclusions. With the help of his experiment, Faraday drew four important conclusions which provided the basics of his law. The galvanometer showed deflection whenever there was relative motion between the magnet and the coil. The deflection was more when the relative motion was faster and less when the relative motion was slower. The direction of the deflection changed if the polarity of the magnet was changed. The deflection in galvanometer changes with the change in the number of turns of coil. Lenz law. Effect oppose the cause. Gives the direction of statically induced EMF. Dot convention is used to identify the direction of induced EMF. Working of transformer and practical transformer. Magnitude and direction of dynamically induced EMF. E is equals to BLV sin theta. E is equals to induced EMF in volts. B is equals to magnetic flux density in Webers. V is equals to velocity meter per second. Dynamically induced EMF. EMF produced due to space variation between the magnetic field and the conductor. Statically induced EMF. EMF produced due to the time variation of flux linkaging with the stationary conductor. Self-induced EMF and mutual induced EMF. Negative sign indicates the opposition. Thank you.